How to enable spatial wallpapers on iPhone iOS 26. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the new spatial wallpapers on your iPhone using iOS 26. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. This works on any iPhone running the latest iOS 26 update, except for the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. If you're using an iPhone 12 or newer, you're good to go. I'm starting on my home screen, and to open the lock screen editor, I'll swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification center. From here, I'll long press anywhere on the screen until I see the Customize button appear at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on Customize, and this will open the lock screen editor. Now, before adding the spatial effect, I recommend setting a good photo as your wallpaper. Photos of people or pets work best because the depth effect looks much more realistic. So I'll add a new photo and set it as my lock screen wallpaper. Once the wallpaper is set, look for the small icon next to the three dots on the screen. Tap on that icon, and your iPhone will start analyzing the photo for a few seconds. After that, the spatial 3D effect will automatically turn on. You'll notice the effect right away when you tilt your iPhone left, right, up, or down. The wallpaper will respond to motion and create this really cool depth effect that makes your lock screen feel alive. That's all there is to it. I'll see you in the next video.